So now it is all cleaned out. It looks so good. Daddy is painting Sissy Girl's nails. What color?
I'm the best in the whole world.
And he's gonna paint my feet.
Oh, babe, after all this time you got one done?
Babe, it's the experience. Are you having a good experience?
Yes.
Yes.
Look at Lincoln. He's like...
He could touch my tongue because it's...
He's like...
And this is the same experience and dedication I give my clients on a daily. Hey, watch out.
Can you show me your nails? Where's Lincoln's nails? Good job.
Beautiful, Lincoln.
No, no touch. Look with your eyes.
So far, so far. Let's see if we could do floating nail painting. A new, innovative way of doing things, guys. This is how you change it up a bit and you make things interesting and new and fun. It's also like cooking or brushing your teeth left-handed if you're a right-handed person.
Oh, our battery's dying.
I'm Bob Ross of painting fingernails. Guys, there's beauty in everything, including taking the time to paint a 5-year-old's fingertips.
Beautiful. Tatum is over here working on a puzzle. What does it say, Tatum?
Plunging.
Plugging.
Plugging too many things into one outlet is V.
V? Oh, okay. Daddy gave Lincoln a fingernail paint. Look it, so pretty.
It says plugging too many things into one outlet is very dangerous.
Yes! Now you have to
all of the items that use electronics.
No?
Electricity.
Yes, good job.
A few moments later.
Hold on, Tatum. Tell him what you're gonna do. Tell him what you're gonna do.
Go behind
Come
the
over
door.
here. Come over here. You're not even in this picture.
I'm gonna go behind the garage door, and then
No, you don't have to go behind the garage door. Wait till she comes into the house.
and then I'm gonna just go in and then put the remote in her pocket.
He's gonna wait.
And
Say it
then
again.
I'm gonna do funny things. So I'll make a. I'm gonna do tricks to make her not feel.
So Cassidy's gonna distract her. I'm gonna throw her off balance. So I'm gonna cause her to bring her attention right here. And Tatum, my man, is gonna go in there and sneak it in her pocket. He's gonna put it in her pocket, and we're just gonna let her find it. And Lincoln's gonna brush his teeth. That's what he's doing right here. My man, we teach good hygiene. Mwah. Oh, she's home. Okay, perfect timing. You just free up some space.
We missed.
Yeah, see, that nail we got a little bit crazy with. We don't know what to do right now. We don't know. We're gonna have to figure something out. Our original plan was to distract Mom as she got home, have her put some more footage on the camera, and then Tatum was gonna be slick and slip it in her back pocket. And then our plans got foiled when we realized she didn't have any pockets.
Slip what in my back pocket?
The remote. We were gonna act like you had it the whole time. But you didn't have any pockets, so Tatum's like, what do we do? Get you, babe. Didn't
No,
get you. We got
I
you.
would not have believed it.
We got you. We got you.
Take it.
You got.
So tell me, where did you guys have that?
Camden's briefcase right there.
That's why I just started thinking that. Let's go check his briefcase.
Because he slept in his briefcase, so Cassidy looked in it.
We don't know how to punk people, man. Can't even keep our story straight. It's crazy.
Good morning, guys. and happy Sunday. Welcome to today's vlog. They did not trick me.
We got you good.
We were missing the remote all night last night. All I wanted to do was watch a new show. There's a new show called OA, and I've been trying to watch it for the last 2 nights. First night, he didn't want to watch it. He wanted to go to bed. Second night, we couldn't find the remote.
This duck just attacked this dude. Oh my god.
A duck? This is what he was looking at.
Look it up. Look it up.
He came out of nowhere.
No, he was sitting right there. Look at him.
Guys,
Look
I
at him.
found it in that
Slow
box.
motion.
Then I found it in that box.
Oh, he was just sitting there. I didn't see his head. Today for lunch, I'm gonna make the Greek zucchini tostadas. We have tortilla, feta cheese, olives, shallot, oregano, sour cream, tomato, garlic, and 2 zucchini.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now.
This kid just had a yummy lunch. And now he's gonna go have a yummy nap. Can I get a nap? Yeah. I need a shower and a wardrobe change. Can you tell everybody night-night? Say night-night.
A few moments later.
Louis was just saying that you want things in life, and once you have them, you're like, I don't want them. Like, he's like, I so dreamed of working from home. But then I realized, now that I work from home, it's so loud.
So loud. All the time.
All the time, because we have 4 kids, guys.
I love my life, and there's nothing that I want more than to have more of what I have. I want more.
I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Nobody.
We have a confession.
I've got another confession to make.
Mama's going back to
I
work.
want to.
Mama's going back to work.
Nobody likes Nickelback, and that is true.
So,
Baby mama's coming back to work, and that is new.
not for a
Baby
full-time
mama's
job.
coming back to work. How are you?
I'm gonna go change, and then are
Don't
you?
change. You're perfect. Just
No,
the way
this is what I wore
you
yesterday.
are.
Is that what you wore yesterday
Just
too?
edit it out. Photoshop it.
No, I'm gonna go change, and then are you gonna meet me in bed so you can train me?
Say what?
It's true though, I'm going back to work, but only for a little bit. I'm just gonna help Louis out when he's really busy, and he's gonna teach me how I need to help him. Not like I don't do enough around here, guys. I guess I need to pull my weight a little bit more.
She needs to show me what she's working with.
All right, the trainee is here to be trained.
Lesson number 1, learning the mortgage process flow. You're going to see and experience.
One eternity later.
Louis has some work to get done outside of training me, so he is going to do that, and while he does that, since Lincoln is still napping, I'm going to clean out our refrigerator. I want to clean out our pantry too, because it does not look like it used to when I completely organized it. We buy things at the store and they just get thrown back in there, so I'm gonna start with the refrigerator because that needs to be like gone through, and then if I have time I will do this, or I'll do that tomorrow. So let me show you a before. Just remember, this is real life, and we actually don't have it organized a lot because this is living with 6 kids. You need food, and then we just throw things up there. I need to put my hair up. I am first going to take everything out, clean it, and wipe it all the way down and go back. I don't like doing little by little. I like taking it all out.
I want to show them this.
Okay, you can show them.
Hey guys, look what I made. It's a spider. Let me see it. It's a spider, and you put your
Never back. No. Never back. Never back. No.
there we go. It is all cleaned out. Besides wiping down everything. So let's do that now. So now it is all cleaned out. It looks so good. And now I'm gonna go through all of this food. You want an orange? This is what happens when I do this. The kids see all the food and they're like, feed me, feed me, feed me. But I'm gonna go look at dates, what we're using, what we're not using, and do the dang thing. Like this medicine expired.
I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no.
It is now cleaned. We have the milk, we have salsa, queso, that's Louis' green chili, sour cream. This is all the yogurt. Home Chefs we still have. This is takeout that was left over. Fruit that are in the containers. This is fruit, vegetables that have already been cut that we put in baggies. This is vegetables. And then down here is cheese, Topo Chico, adult beverages, muscle milk. Over here we have the butter, we have the coffee cream, we have all of the jellies. Down here is all the condiments and all of that. So now it's clean and it feels so good. Daddy is whipping up some of his famous, now famous cinnamon rolls. I'm going to make myself a juice. I love the concoction I made last time. It was carrots, apples, and lemon. So I'm gonna just do that. The best part is seeing the color. Whoa, Lincoln loves juices. You want some? Tell Mama yes. More? Okay, can you say yes? Good job. More? Now that my juice is done, this is what I'm gonna tackle next. It's getting crazy over here, guys. Living with a bunch of wild animals. AKA this man that's now making homemade funnel cake.
Don't even tempt me with sugar.
Okay, we are making progress. Getting there. Slowly but surely.
We're also making funnel cakes. And that is progress.
This man is making a funnel cake. These are my favorite ones. I got them from Target. I am almost done, but I need to make a brief intermission because my man made some amazing desserts. Just need to slap some honey on that. Babe, have I told you lately that I love you?
Yes, you did.
Oh my God.
Better?
Mmm. Oh yeah. All right guys, here is the final product of the pantry. It looks amazing and I'm so happy.
1 hour later.
Tatum and I just got back from the store and this man has been asking us for a robe like his daddy. And I asked him, how much money do you have? And how much money did you have?
I don't have $7.70.
He had $7.77 and so we went to the store and he got a robe and I taught him about money. It was how much? $12 and what?
99 cents.
And so I told him he could work for the other. So he's been helping me and he is practicing the worth of $1. Hard work does pay off and you can get nice things, but it's not free, right? I love you. And I love your robe. Show everybody that cute, handsome robe. Are you warm? Yeah?
It's so warm.
Oh.
I haven't been this warm in 10 days.
Oh.
No, my whole life.
I love it, T. Looks good.
You're teaching our son. He goes, I haven't been this warm my whole life.
Now he knows what I feel like.
Daddy has been baking up a storm over here. They are complete.
What you want?
What did you say, sir?
I'm not gonna brag, but just gonna say, this is probably one of the best cinnamon rolls I've ever had in my life.
All right, guys, I wanted to make a little meal prep for this week, so I put together some nice food. Okay, we got some meal prep done. I put in chicken, broccoli, red onion, red peppers, orange peppers, and green peppers.